Watch me fucking fence. Oh shit. Oh. Well played, sir. It's not over yet. It's not over. It's over.
That's pretty good, that's it, eh?
This is bigger, this one.
Funny on this.
It's called an ollie, Travis. Oh.
I love this shit.
You reckon?
Usually you spin around and put your bucket here to counteract the gap there, but... Hey, Willow! We've got a bit of timber down. Flank.
Yeah, I'm falling in.
Come back. We've got a bit of...
Just stay there. Wait, Trav.
Does that tell me?
Watch out for the nails, they might get it flat. The nails might get flat.
This is...
How you got a spare tube?
This is better than the Westgate, this bridge. Don't worry about it. It's hardwood, take the go. You're not on it yet. It's not going to snap, it's bloody tasty egg.
You're going off the set. You're going off the edge.
You bloody, oh.
Just on.
Wait. Willow. Put your bucket down and then move your tracks onto it more.
Yeah, here we go. I knew you'd make it. It's not Ken.
Wildig, it's can drive.
Only out of the house.
That is impressive stuff.